I'm Mickey Zeta, and this is Cool Retired Women's Club. I am going to take a risk here today. What I'm going to do is show you what my house looks like. We are renovating our kitchen, and I was working this morning and moving things around, and it occurred to me that when we renovate things in our brains, when we try to do things new, or we're learning a new pattern, or we're deciding to take a different risk, well, everything is a mess inside our heads, right? Everything is a mess. Well, everything is a mess in my house, and I am going to give you some really good visuals to hold on to. The next time you feel like, oh my gosh, I really can't do this, or this is crazy. All right, I'm going to turn the camera around. I hope you don't think I'm nuts, because this really is taking a risk, but things are a mess in my house. Here we go. Okay, do you see that? That's all the things that were in the cupboard. And over here are all my spices. They're in a box. See that? It's kind of crazy. There's a plant, a pretty plant, but now watch this. We're going into the kitchen. Look at that table. It's just packed with stuff that came out of the cupboards. And here we go. Here's where we've already removed a bunch of cupboards, and there's a jack thing that my husband used to take one cupboard down. Man, it's just crazy. I've got things in boxes. Look at this. And over here. Isn't it crazy? It's so messy. Here, look at this table. Oh my gosh. Now the amazing thing is I kind of know where everything is. I kind of think that I can find what I need. Over here are things that came out of cupboards, and here are dishes. See there? There's a bunch of dishes. And down here, those are pots and pans. Isn't it nuts? It is a total pandemonium in this house while we're renovating our kitchen. Now I'm going to turn this back around. And I'm going to say, you know what? This is what life is like. This is what my mind feels like. And I bet yours does too. When you are learning something new, when you're putting together new ideas or concepts. When I decided at 53 that I didn't know who I was and I went through a major change, I lived on my own for the very first time. My mind felt just like my house looks. Does that make sense to you? I think the cool thing is that once the new cupboards are up, which won't be until sometime next week, all the old cupboards will be taken out on Saturday, new cupboards put in on Tuesday or Wednesday, then all this stuff goes back in the new cupboards. And guess what? Life will be amazing. And that's what it's like for us when we choose to make major changes inside our heads, in our lives. Does that make sense to you? I really hope it does, or else I have shown this messy house for no reason whatsoever, and I hope that's not the case. So there you go. That is really what this video is all about. That when you feel like pandemonium, disorganization, chaos is going on in your mind, when you decide that you're going to do something different, or you're going to change your life, or change a life pattern, change a belief, when we do that, it's called chemicalization. I learned that years ago at the Unity Church. Chemicalization. Your body is actually making different chemicals. Your brain is actually unhooking from synapses, or unhooking from one place and connecting to another. And that creates all kinds of disarray inside our brains. But just like when my kitchen is done and everything's put back where it's supposed to be, I can put my Christmas tree up and get out all my Christmas decorations then. I will be living in an amazing life. I will have recreated what I want, and that's what we do in our lives too. We recreate what we want. We organize our brains, we put things back where they belong, and life is good. Life is on a better level, a much higher level than we ever anticipated before. So that's my lesson for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you're laughing at the mess that I'm living in right now. I'm sitting here on the couch, and I'm going to turn this around just one more time to give you a little bit of a view of the craziness. It's crazy, but it won't be for long. It won't be for long. Pretty soon it's all going to be put back where it's supposed to be, in its own place, and life will be amazing. We'll really enjoy our new kitchen and our new house. Well, it's not a new house, but it's a new kitchen, and you know what? That makes it feel like a new house, doesn't it? It's just like you feel like you're a new person when you change opinions, you change your life. So I'm going to turn this around one more time. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is my view from right here. Isn't that crazy? It is such a mess, but it won't be for long. Pretty soon, it's going to be organized. It's going to be just the way It's going to be just the way I want it. It's going to be a fabulous new kitchen, and you are creating a fabulous new life. If your brain, if your mind, if your heart and your soul feel like the mess that my house is right now, just know that on the other side, it's going to be great. It's going to be fabulous because you are creating your authentic life. Doesn't matter how old you are. You are a cool retired woman. You're woman. You are all cool retired women. You specifically, I specifically am a cool retired woman. And what I do with my house and being a mess now, it's all going to come together. Just like all the changes in my mind that I've had in the past, that I have coming up in the future, they're going to feel like pandemonium, but they're going to end up being marvelous, and yours too. Thanks for being here. I'm Mickey Zeta. I'm so excited that you're watching this video, and please comment. Comment below if you have anything to say. I appreciate it. I encourage you to go to the website, coolretiredwomensclub.com. coolretiredwomensclub.com. Check out all the things that we have coming up. We've got all kinds of exciting stuff coming in 2020. So we're a new club, we're a new organization, but we are going far and we are going fast. So thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful week.